Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see last week we pulled back to that 69.5 area. You've seen a steady move back. We printed as high as 51 on Friday. You see the all-time high, 58. It's really the bulls at this point to screw up. You've seen a steady conversion of the 9-day there, the blue line, the daily mid-band, the monthly pivot, the weekly pivot from late last week, and you got the jobs report out of the way. You've got a lot of unknowns as far as price and a lot of unknowns as far as levels. They've been handled. So now, unless you can get sustainable news that is going to affect the market negatively for multiple days, it's going to be very easy for the bulls to just continue to bleed this thing to marginal new high after marginal new high. It's December. Now, last December notwithstanding, which was basically straight down, while that was a lot of fun, that's the exception to the rule typically. So the bears are going to have to show up this week. And if they don't, then you're going to see just a steady push to the upside. There's no sense in trying to expect the unexpected. By expecting what the market is going to do, you tend to be on the correct side of the move much more often than not. Hourly chart. So there's your monthly pivot. There's your new weekly pivot, 24.67. 9-day comes in at about 30. We've been fighting over the hourly mid-band for most of Globex. You can see those hourly bands are tight. So once we get into the day itself, should see some kind of a resolution. If we head to the downside, then the key area is 24 to 30. That's an area that the bears are going to have to convert if they want to even remotely be part of the conversation this week. And it's the area where if it got tested early in the week and it held, and then you make a higher high, then you can really see some directional days as we get towards the end of the week. There's not really much more to get into today than that. The bears have to show up, or the bulls are going to continue to drag them behind the car for another few miles as we head towards the holidays. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. There'll be more stuff out on social. Come trade with us in the room. That's all I can say. Another good day on Friday. 17 handles. 30 on Thursday. So we're already exceeding the minimum that we would like to do in a month, and we got a lot of month to go. So the volatility's been good. So hopefully it stays that way. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.